Kung gusto mong binabalik-balikan ka ng customers mo, gawin mo to. I learned this when I had my haircut recently. Usually, pag nagpapagupit ako, I feel good. Pero may isang beses na naramdaman ko na parang ang pangit ko. Kahit technically okay naman siya. Actually, tinanong ko yung asawa ko. Sabi ko, okay ba yung haircut ko? Sabi niya, okay naman. Same lang naman. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit parang may kulang? Narealize ko na nakalimutan ng barber ko yung 3-second routine niya. Ito yung ginagawa niya every time after sa gupit. So what he does is, he meticulously check yung buhok ko. Technically, wala naman siyang ginawa. Wala siyang ginupitan. And sine-check lang niya. And sabi niya, okay na. Okay? Doon ko nakuha yung lesson na to. Bumabalik ang client not because of your service, but because of how you made them feel. In my story, the barber didn't have to give something physical or spend more to make me feel happy. All he did was perform this 3-second routine. And because of that, I felt na maganda yung gupit ko. So, kung gusto mong binabalik-balikan ka ng customer mo, make them feel good. Because clients forget what you said. They forget what you did, but they won't forget how you made them feel. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.